Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Telegram group ownership on a PC step by step. This is useful if you want to hand over control of your group to another admin, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to the group where you want to transfer ownership. Click on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Now click on the three-dot menu, ... in the top right corner and select Manage Group or Edit depending on your version. From the Settings menu, click on Administrators. Here, you will see the list of current admins in your group. Before transferring ownership, make sure the person you want to transfer to is already added as an admin. If not, click Add Admin, select the person, and grant them admin permissions. Once the person is an admin, click on their name in the admin list. Scroll down and look for the option called Transfer Ownership. Click on Transfer Ownership. Telegram will ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. You may be required to enter your Telegram two-step verification password if you have one enabled. Enter your password and confirm the transfer. Once confirmed, the ownership of the group will be permanently transferred to the selected admin. After this process, you will no longer be the owner and the new user will have full control of the group. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Telegram group ownership on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.